through the pine. That rounder was behind. He opened up the throttle, you could hear that engine whine. People gaped and gasped as that engine thundered past, and soon that train pulled in right on time. She was fast, coming down that mountain pass, faster with every mile she gained. She was fast, they say she's lightning fast. That's why they call her Lightning Train. And found out way too late. That engine jumped the rail, ended up in Johnson's Lake. Now people tell the tale, that one day on the rail, how that rounder ended up at Heaven's Gate. She was fast, coming down that mountain pass, faster with every mile she gained.